How to clear cookies on Android. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. And also don't forget to hit the like button. Now moving towards the video, first of all you have to go on Google Chrome. So let's say I am opening Google Chrome from here, and then you can choose your browser or whatever you want. Then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above, and then you have to go down on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, then you have to go on accounts option. You can also go on privacy and security option. Click on privacy and security option, and over in the first corner there will be clear browsing data. Click on that, and under the cookies and site data you can select that and clear the data from here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.